Alright y'all, it's October 16th and we had these joints finally drop, man. And I've been super excited about this sneaker. A lot of people were saying, you know what, y'all was saying y'all didn't feel it. But did y'all keep the same energy? Or did we change our mind up? Now, resale still sitting around $260, $265 for this sneaker. But now that the official drop has happened, like I said in my prior video, if y'all ain't check it out, link will be right here, that I do feel like these sneakers will go up in price just because they are a themed sneaker. You feel what I'm saying? And also because the stock number was only around 30,000 pairs. But y'all see this right here, man. Shout out to Nike. Shout out to Sneakers app. So I was able to catch that dub on these things. So, but as far as the sneakers go themselves, now that they've dropped, now that we had another Kobe 5, a theme one, and the hype wasn't there. First off, they did the Leo drop. It was like a first come, first serve drop on these things. So that was different. That kind of threw me off. I thought it was going to be a draw. But the fact that they did that, even though the stock numbers was right at 30,000, I feel like we're kind of getting back to the times where if it's not a Kobe Protro 6, that we might actually be able to cop these sneakers. Now, resale for these things, I did say that I feel like that they're going to go up in price. But I'm listening to Unbreakable's live. Shout out to my dog Raffy. I'm listening to his live. And I'm looking at all the people in the comment sections. And they're saying that these shoes ain't it. Kid sneaker. Kid theme. Don't care if it glows in the dark. Toddlerish. So I feel like that these sneakers, they might do like the Venice Beaches now, man. But we gonna see. But it's just that limited stock number and the availability of these things that I do feel like when people get their pairs in hand, more content creators start posting about them, that I feel like that they have the potential to increase. So if you want this sneaker, if you watch this video because you want to know if you should buy this sneaker now, because I'm gonna say don't take the chance. Yes, it's a possibility that they can hover around at $300 mark, but right now if they're sitting around $260, hey, buy them. Get the sneaker now if you want them. Don't care about everything else. Don't take the chance. Don't take the risk. Get the sneaker now because, again, I don't know what's going to happen with the sneaker moving forward. But y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions. I will have an in-depth review on these things dropping when I get them in hand. But I appreciate you guys. Comment down below and let me know if you went for them, if you got them, if you didn't get them. Hey, and I'm going to catch y'all next video. Y'all know the stands, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.